Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use revanced manager to patch. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser, download your revanced manager, revanced GM score. So you select the particular APK of your choice and download it. So having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go and open the particular APK you just downloaded. Click on install to install it to your device. So make sure you have a revanced manager app on your phone. If you don't, you're going to still use the same step to do that. So right here I was able to get mine. So the next thing you have to do is to go back to your browser. So right here on my browser, I'll just still make sure that I download revanced manager. Just download your revanced manager APK, then you confirm you want to download it. After downloading it, next thing you have to do is to go to the app. So right here on the app, you select the particular app you want to patch, click on it. Now you're going to see the different version of that particular app. So all you have to do from here is to click on the save option here now to save the APK. If you want to save it, if you want to copy the body, you can copy it. If you want to save it to any of your app, you can do that, and it will be exported to the partial log of this app. So guys, that is it on how to use revanced manager to pouch. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.